Namaste yogis, today we're gonna perform Sutra Neti.
So what we need is a cotton thread or a rubber catheter, link in description, you can find it on Amazon, and a generic oil. It can be olive oil or coconut oil, whatever. So now we're gonna put some oil in the cotton thread or in a rubber catheter to make it go through your nose really easier. Okay? So be sure it's really oily. Insert the rubber into one of the nostrils, slowly and gently. Keep the cord pointed towards the back of the throat. Take your hand into the mouth and grab the cord at the back of the throat, using the index and the middle fingers. Reach the cord at the back of the throat and pull it out from the mouth slowly and gently. Move the string front and back 2 or 3 times.
So thank you very much for watching this video. Leave a comment below, share and like it. Thank you.